Ceredigion County Council has been working with 3 organisations to deliver arts-based activities as part of Reach the Heights. Aberystwyth Arts Centre held workshops with young people in digital and new media, photography, ceramics and textiles. The high standard of the work led to it being shown in a professional exhibition in the Arts Centre's cafe. Arad Goch and Theatr Felin Fach helped the young people produce work that was showcased at a special celebration day.
Croeso twym galon I Theatr Felin Fach. A warm welcome to Theatr Felin Fach. It's a special place for many of us that have taken part.
One of the projects created by the young people at Theatr Felin Fach was a performance which incorporated music, dance and film.
Dyn ni wedi bod yn gweithio gyda sawl grŵp ar draws Ceredigion ac ni wedi bod yn gweithio gyda 4 ysgol uwchradd a grwpiau ieuenctid ar draws y sir. Un o'r grwpiau dyn ni'n gweithio gyda ydy grŵp o'r enw Dash. Maen nhw wedi bod yn gweithio gyda artistiaid ni, sef Simon, Ian a Catherine, a maen nhw wedi bod yn creu darn o waith trwy gyfrwng dawns, yn ogystal â casglu syniadau at ei gilydd trwy gyfrwng cerddoriaeth, a ar yr un pryd mae Ian wedi bod yn ffilm o'r broses. Mae pen draw'r peth fydd bod y ffilm yma'n cael ei ddangos fel rhan o ddathliad o holl prosiectau Cyrraedd y Nod fydd yn digwydd yn nghanol mis Mawrth. Pwrpas y dathliad yma ydy cyfle i'r bobl ifanc sydd wedi bod yn nghlwm efo pob prosiect I ni wedi bod yn gwneud ar draws y sir, a cyfle iddyn nhw werthfawrogi gwaith ei gilydd.
We've been working with creative dance, so I devised different tasks and asked them to look at creating shapes with the body, how we might put sequences together. We've worked specifically with emotions and how we show emotions through the body and through the face as well. So everybody created a series of 4 sounds, 4 beats. And they were all put together to create this one thing. And the way that we did it, it was done with everybody sitting in a line. And the idea of a bus stop came from that. We looked at different emotions that people have while they're waiting for the bus. The thing of being bored, getting angry, getting tired. So those ideas came through in music and film as well.
My role with the Dash group is to produce a finished piece of film at the end. We're sort of working in a theatrical sort of way, but the finished item won't be done in front of an audience, but I will actually film it as if it's a live piece.
Today we've been creating pieces of music, loops of music to represent different emotions. We're marrying up the sounds that they're creating to how they're moving and what they're doing during the movements.
We've been doing the beats with our feet, and we have been doing some music to go with the beats. It's just been good to be with the friends and having a good time.
I think they've responded really well, actually. They've just, you do really see them laughing and coming out of themselves in this project a lot more than some other things where we just go do an activity, which is good. And yeah, they work well as a group as well. It's nice.